hope you all are fine. Today our book is The Science Factor of Class 4, and today our topic is what the lungs do. This is our unit number 1, the human body, and topic number 1.3, the lungs, what the lungs do. Your lungs are very important organs that help to spread oxygen throughout the body and get rid of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be harmful to your body. Yes, lungs are very important part of our body because for breathing we have to use our lungs. We can inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a toxic gas which is harmful for our body. We inhale oxygen, which is important and provided all the cells present in the body. Then we can release carbon dioxide. As we all know that we can release carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is toxic. If we can inhale carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide mixed with our blood, so we can die. Okay, there are two lungs. We have two lungs, as you can see in pictures. They are positioned around the heart. Lungs are around the heart. The left lung is smaller than the right lung. Left lung, the size of left lung is smaller than the size of right lung, so that it fits neatly. Because the heart tilts a little to the left, the heart and the lungs are so important that they are protected by the valve cage, which make it very hard to damage them. Okay, the left lung is smaller. Why left lung is smaller? Because the heart is also on the left side of our body. Okay, the heart is also the left side of our body. So the left lung is small because there is a heart. So heart and left lung is fit as they can take space which they need. The lungs get a lot of use because you breathe in about 10,000 liters of air every day. Lungs are very important, and our breathing rate is 10,000 liters of air. This is very huge number. The human lungs. These are bronchioles tube, and these are our lungs. When you breathe in, your lungs get bigger as they take in oxygen from the air. This oxygen is then transferred into your body, into your blood, and pumped around your body. When you breathe out, you are getting rid of carbon dioxide that your body doesn't need. When we breathe in, the size of our lungs increase, as if we can pour air in balloon. The balloon takes space. This is true. If we can pour air in balloon, the balloon takes space. And if we can open the mouth of balloon, the air comes out and balloon goes to its real position. Just like balloons, when we can take air, we can take air in our lung size increases, and when we breathe out, so we can release carbon dioxide which is not important for our lungs, and our lungs then goes to its original position. Now move towards next page. This is activity time. Blow your lungs in a muscle called the diaphragm. The lungs present in a frame is called a diaphragm. The name of that frame is diaphragm. It helps your lungs take in air. Here how you can feel them working together. As we know, lungs help them to take in air. Lungs are present inside a skeleton. Inside a skeleton, lungs are present, and the part of skeleton which covers the lung is called a diaphragm. Put one hand on your chest and your other hand on the upper part of your tummy. Breathe in deeply. Your diaphragm contract when you breathe in deeply, and that pushes some of the organs in your tummy down to create more space in your chest. Can you feel that? You have to do this activity in your home, that you can breathe in. Okay, you have to do this activity in your home, that you can do you can put a hand on your chest and your belly, a little up from your belly, and you can breathe in. Okay, you can breathe, you can take oxygen inside your body. You can feel that some part of your body goes down to the belly and your lungs open and take space. You must have to do this practical in your home. What happen when you now this is the time of question. What happen when you breathe in? Okay, we have to tell you that what happen when you breathe in. This is the answer. What happen when you breathe in? When we breathe in, when we can take oxygen in our lungs, the lungs get bigger as they take oxygen from the air. Yes, as I can tell you, when we breathe in, the size of our lungs increases. What happen when you breathe out? When we breathe out, when we exhale carbon dioxide, what can happen? What happens when you breathe out? When we breathe out, we are getting rid of carbon dioxide that body doesn't need, and lungs gets go to its original position. Yes, when we breathe out, the carbon dioxide which we don't need goes out of our body, and then the lungs goes to its original shape. Okay, the over next topic is instant time. We can do this topic in over next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.